Welcome to the ultimate biceps workout at the gym. Get ready to sculpt and strengthen your biceps with these effective exercises. First, let's start with the classic bicep curl. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and curl the dumbbells up towards your shoulders, focusing traction of your biceps. Next, we'll move on to hammer curls. Hold the dumbbells with a neutral grip and curl them up, targeting the brachialis muscle for overall bicep development. Now, it's time for concentration curls. Sit on a bench and place your elbow against your inner thigh, then curl the dumbbell up, isolating and maximizing the tension on your biceps. For an added challenge, try the preacher curl. Rest your arms on the preacher bench and curl the barbell up, emphasizing the peak contraction of your biceps. Finish off your biceps workout with cable curls. Use the cable machine to perform single arm or double arm curls, maintaining constant tension on your biceps throughout the movement. Incorporate these exercises into your fitness routine and watch your biceps grow stronger and more defined. Get ready to unleash the power of your biceps and achieve your fitness goals.